Activist and Turning Point USA founder Charlie Kirk was tragically assassinated during a live event. How did this happen? Who's behind it? And what does this mean for free speech in America? Stay with me till the end as we break it all down. Today, we're covering the shocking assassination of Charlie Kirk, a young conservative voice who stirred up political debates across campuses, and now, he's become the center of one of the most talked about political tragedies in recent times. Charlie Kirk, just 31 years old, was shot dead on September 10, 2025, while speaking at Utah Valley University. The event was part of his American Comeback Tour, where he engaged students on free speech and conservative values. Tragically, a sniper fired a high-powered rifle from a rooftop and escaped before being caught. Authorities have confirmed that the shooter, 22-year-old Tyler Robinson, acted alone. President Trump strongly condemned the attack and announced that Kirk would receive the Presidential Medal of Freedom posthumously. Following his death, Turning Point USA honored him as America's greatest martyr to free speech, with tributes pouring in from all corners of the world. However, this tragedy has also sparked a serious debate on political violence and censorship. In a swift move, platforms like Roblox removed over 100 in-game experiences referencing the shooting, with lawmakers pushing for even stricter action. So, what does this event mean for us? Is political discourse becoming more dangerous? Should platforms have more responsibility over spreading sensitive content? And how do we ensure freedom of speech while keeping society safe? This incident has left a mark not just on conservative movements, but on broader discussions around extremism and safety in public events. Charlie Kirk's assassination is a tragic reminder of how polarized and volatile today's political environment has become. But it also raises questions about how we protect ideas, debate, and democracy itself. What are your thoughts on this? Is this the beginning of something even darker, or a wake-up call for society? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.